Thank you for your understanding as we prepare for the wonderful show here in this very beautiful afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and most beloved parents, we warmly welcome you to have a mesmerizing event to be started in few minutes over here. It's a pleasure to be your host for this special occasion. It's a privilege to inform you all that today we are celebrating Rising Stars Dance Institute's 15 years of celebration. All the credit goes to our Mrs. Kaushiki ma'am. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival that fills our hearts with devotion, joy and cultural pride. Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, the symbol of wisdom with new beginnings, is worshipped with great enthusiasm across the country. Rising Star Dance Institute is a registered institute for the certification courses of Dance Diploma and has been affiliated under Sarva Bharatiya Sangeeto Sanskriti Parishad, which is registered under Raja Man Singh Tomar University of Gwalior and Kolkata Dance Drama University and Ravindra Bharati University. Mrs. Kaushiki is a guru of the Rising Star Dance Institute. She has 27 years of experience in this field. She has started her career of teaching in this field from 1998. Mrs. Kaushiki is a student of Pandit Birju Maharaji, a great classical dancer, composer and singer. He is a founder of our Indian Kathak dance. She has learned Bharatanatyam from Professor Suparna Venkatesh ji in Kalakshetra Gharana. She was also the senior student in Mamta Shankar International Ballet Troupe. She is the examiner of All India Cultural Academy for all over India from 2014. Mrs. Kaushiki has been honored with many prestigious awards for her decades of service. She has received the award from the Secretary of Kalinga Cultural Trust 2023 for the recognition of contribution to promotion of our Indian classical dances. She has also received the award from the Director of Brahma Kumaris for the motivation of Indian classical dance. It's very glad to announce that ma'am has been awarded the Nari Shakti Award 2025 from Samskritika Kalakshetra Cultural Organization on the occasion of International Women's Day 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, before we delve into the mesmerizing world of dance, I request Mrs. Kaushiki ma'am to come on to the stage to dispel the darkness by lighting the lamp of glory. Thank you, ma'am, for initiating our event with the sacred lamp lighting, a mark of our tradition, culture, and respect. You deserve every bloom and bit of joy this bouquet brings to you today, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request few groups to be ready with their team. The first performance will be by Pushpanjali Zenith Junior Kids Group. The second performance by Junior Kids Group of Ramki Towers and Aparna Cyberlife Ganesh Ji ki Aarti. And the third performance, Vakratunda Mahakaya, with a combination of the Earth song, Prithvi Modhyam, performing by Aparna Sarovar Bharatanatyam group. We request all the three groups to be ready on the backstage. Today we celebrate the divine with a series of enchanting performances dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Let us begin this beautiful journey with the first performance, Pushpanjali by Zenith Junior Kids Group, marking a traditional invocatory piece. Through graceful movements and rhythmic steps, the dancers offer salutations to Ganesha. Please give them a warm welcome to our young little stars, Srinika, Svecha, Adhya, Riya, Asmi, and Aradhya.
तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतकतदिगिण तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतकतदिगिण तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतकतदिगिण तारितझं तझं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतदिगिण 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 तझं तरिता तदिमितकिटतकतदिगिण तझं तझं तकिटझं 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 तकिटझं
We truly appreciate the smiles you brought to our faces with every beat and move of our very first performance. Our next performance by Junior Kids Group of Ramki Towers and Aparna Cyberlife, Ganesh Ji Ki Aarti. We now present Ganesh Ji Ki Aarti, seeking his blessings for peace, success, and auspicious moment. Let's all join together in this divine moment. Please welcome with a very big round of applause Avni, Asmi, Ananya, Pihu, Nesha, Anesha, and Yalini.
Anu, look in front, smile. Smile. Oi, Ankita.
की जय गणेश जी की आरती करें हम सब गणेश जी की जय गणेश जी की जय गणेश जी की आरती करें हम सब गणेश जी की सब शरण में है भगवन ओ शिव गण मूषक वाहन जय गणेश जी की जय गणेश जी की आरती करें हम सब गणेश जी की आप तो हैं आपकी पूजा घर घर में कष्ट निवारे पल भर में जय गणेश जी की जय गणेश जी की आरती करें हम सब गणेश जी की जय गणेश जी की जय आरती करें हम सब गणेश जी की
Our hearts dance along with you today. We can see the cuteness in their steps, smooth smile, expression. Our next performance is Vakratunda Mahakaya with the combination of the earth song Prithvi Modhyam performing by Aparna Sarovar Bharatanatyam group. Vakratunda Mahakaya, the prayer song which is dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The earth song invokes gratitude and recognition of our responsibility to care for this life-supporting planet, echoing the Vedic ethos of environmental balance and ethical living. Let the music uplift our hearts and inspire us in our lives. We are welcoming our dancers Sushri, Swastika, Pranavi, Shivani, Aira, Akshara, Adhya and Aradhya with a big round of applause.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गणपतये नमः ॐ गणपतये नमः ॐ गणपतये नमः
Earth is the only element linked to all five senses of taste, sound, touch, smell, and sight. Thus exerts maximum influence on us.
यत्ते मध्यम पृथिवी यत् यच्चनभ्यं यास्तूर्जस्तन्वः यच्चनभ्यं यास्तूर्जस्तन्वः सम्बभूवुः तासुनो देह्यमीनः पवस्वमाता भूमिः पुत्रो अहं पृथिव्याः पर्जन्यः पिता पिबर्तु पमापगतरीतसं पमं पदं परन्तसा
Whispers of music. What a wonderful magical performance by these talented dancers. Thank you one and all. Our next performance, Guru Shloka, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu and Sri Ganesha Kautvam, performing by the most energetic classical dance students of Unicent International School, who all are under of Ma'am's guidance. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, it describes the Guru as the embodiment of Lord Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer, in order to create space for new beginnings. The Guru is seen as a supreme divine power. Sri Ganesha Kautvam is a traditional Bharatanatyam dance composition performed in the praise of Lord Ganesha. Kautvam are rhythmic pieces with both nritya, pure dance, and abhinaya, the expression. This Kautvam celebrates Ganesha's divine qualities through powerful rhythmic patterns, energetic footwork, and expressive storytelling, making it a vibrant start to any recital. Let's all welcome these great dancers with a big round of applause. Adhya, Bhavishya, Grishma, Tanvi, Mauktika, Mithila, Sahasra, Chetana, Spurti, and Jahnavi. Every clap here matters them, every dancer a lot. Thank you.
Vishnu Devo Maheshwara Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Vishnu Devo Maheshwara Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave स्वरामृतज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः ह्रीश्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः गमगधीभावरसरसिताय गुरवे नमः मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः
विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
Thank you for making us forget the time and just enjoy the rhythm and beauty of your dance. Thank you, one and all. Let's welcome our next performers, L&T Junior Girls Group, Janak Gandarana. We are thrilled to present the enchanting song. We now present the vibrant and devotional song, Gan Gan Ganapati Gajamukha, a powerful praise of Lord Ganesha with energetic rhythm and deep devotion. This song celebrates Ganesha's glory, strength and grace. Let us invoke his presence through this joyful rendition. In the Jaipur Gharana of Kathak, Tarana emphasizes strong footwork, complex layakari, that is a rhythmic play, and powerful movements. This style showcases the dancer's command over rhythm and technique, creating a dynamic and energetic performance that reflects the vibrant spirit of the Jaipur tradition. A warm welcome to all our dancers Arna, Swara, Rithi, Shreya, Amaira, Nishtapriya and Nishta Garg.
ni ta na re re na 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 ta ni ma re da ni ta na re re na ta na re re na dim ta na na ta na re re na ta na re re na dim ta na na dim ta na na dim ta na na re re na ta ni ma re re ta na dim ta na 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 ta na dim ta na ta na dim 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 ta na dim dim ta na ta na dim 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 ta na ta na dim ta na dim ta na dim ni ma ga pa ra ga ga ta na ni ga ni ga ga pa ra ga ga ta na ni ga ni ga ga pa ra ga ga ta na ni ga ta di ma de ta na re re na ta di ma de ta na re re na ta di ma de ta ni ta na re re na ta di ma de ta dim 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 ta na tum ta na dim ta na tum ta na dim ta na
passion. Our dancers brought it all to the life today. Thank you one and all. A small sincere request to all the parents over here. Every second of the event is being captured by our cameraman over here, and the whole event will be published in the YouTube. So we request the parents to capture the video from your seat, as the cameraman has been blocked to cover the event. Hope you will be understanding and cooperating with us. Thank you. Now moving on to the next performance by Senior and Intermediate Kathak Girls Group with the most beautiful song, Sindhur Lal Chadayo. Sindhur Lal Chadayo is a soulful devotional song dedicated to Lord Ganesha. With its heartfelt lyrics and devotional melody, this song creates a spiritual atmosphere and expresses deep reverence for Ganapati Bappa, the remover of obstacles and the God of wisdom. Please welcome with a big round of applause Manvi Bajaj, Nitya, Tisha, Myra and Alpana.
गणानाम गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश तालदय धुरपत गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दो दिल लाल बिराजे सुत गौरी हर को। हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को, लागत हूँ पद को, लागत हूँ पद को।
चर्चित एक दंत करे भय को दूर, अति सुंदर लय गति गणाधीश गणपति।
अष्टौ सिद्धिदासी संकट को बैरी, विघ्न विनाशक मंगल मूरत अधिकारी।
अष्टौ सिद्धिदासी संकट को बैरी, विघ्न विनाशक मंगल मूरत अधिकारी।
कोटि सूरज प्रकाश ऐसी जग देवी, गंडस्थल मद मस्तक झूले शशि बिहरी।
Energy, passion and smile have touched every heart here today. Thank you, girls. A very small announcement over here. There is a car, the vehicle number TS08GP4704. TS08GP4704 has blocked the other carway, so we request you to please clear the way to the other car. Thank you. Moving on for the next performance with the most beautiful song, Ekadantaya Vakratundaya by Aparna Cyberlife Bharatanatyam Girls Group. Ekadantaya Vakratundaya is a powerful Sanskrit chant dedicated to our Lord Ganesha. The lyrics praise his divine qualities. Ekadanta, the one tusk, and Vakratunda, the curved trunk. Its vibrant tune and spiritual energy make it a popular choice for devotional dance and music performances. Let's show our appreciation for their dedication and skill and welcome all our dancers, Ananya, Adhya, Aishwarya, Ditvi, Shrishti, Lalita, Nakshatra, Nandita, Anaya, Arna, Aditi and Dharvi.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि, गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि, गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि। एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यबलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
राजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने
गाढानुरागाय ग्रन्थाय गीताय ग्रन्थार्थतत्त्वविदे
गुरवते गणपतये
ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेयचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वपीकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरीहृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गो सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
What an amazing performance. You all turned the stage into a canvas with your graceful moments. Thank you, one and all. We are delighted to present the next performance, Ganesh Ji Ki Aarti, Sukh Karta, Dukh Harta, and with a combination of Kathak Tarana, performing by the Aparna Sarovar Grande and Aparna Sarovar Zenith Kathak Girls Group. Sukh Karta Dukh Harta is a beloved Marathi Aarti dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The title means one who brings happiness and removes sorrow. This devotional song is often sung during Ganesh Chaturthi and daily prayers, expressing love, faith and gratitude towards Ganapati Bappa. Its soothing melody and heartfelt lyrics create a peaceful and spiritual atmosphere, making it a cherished part of many traditional celebrations. Let's all welcome These talented dancers, Ritika, Gurgeet, Arna, Prisha, Dimira, Ami, Adhya, Riya, Mishika, Samay and Vamika.
सुख हरता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम प्रभा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उती शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय रत्ना खचिता फारा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची ओटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडिता मुकुट शोभा तो भारा इंजिनती नु कौरे चरणे घागरिया जय देव जय देव जय
We all had a glimpse of the angels on the stage over here with their stunning performance. We salute the dedication and talent and their hard work behind every step, every move over here. Thank you, amazing dancers. Now moving on for the next most beautiful performance by the Serene County's Senior Kathak Girls Group. They are presenting Ganesh Vandana in Kathak dance performance. This is actually Ganesh Paran, American blend, Ganga Ganapati Gajamukha, a powerful praise of Lord Ganesha with energetic rhythm of Kathak Padant, that is a verbal recitation of rhythmic compositions in Kathak. In the Lucknow Gharana, known for its grace, expression and elegance, Padant is done with great clarity, delicate articulation and an emphasis on layakari, the rhythmic play. It reflects not just the tal but also the performer's command over rhythm and expression. The bols are spoken with poise and precision, often accompanied by subtle hand gestures, highlighting the lyrics with emotional beauty characterized by the Lucknow Gharana style. Let's cheer for all these talented dancers, Swasti, Nupur, Vaniya, Trishla, Jia, Parul and Shivaki on the stage.
जनक जनक लगता जनक जनक लगता जनक जनक लगता दिशकिट दिलांग दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा दादा धा धरकिट 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 तक धरकिट दादा 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 धागिट दुमकिट चलता धागिट गदगदिगन धागिट दुमकिट चलता केंतरा धागिट दादा धागिट दुमकिट चलता धरकिट तक धागिट गदगदिगन धागिट दुमकिट चलता जिस दादा निज तान कदक तान धा धरकिट तान तकिट धरकिट धरकिट दागरता नाद निज धागरता धागरतान धागरतान धा धागरतान धागरतान धा धागरतान धागरतान धागिट दुमकिट चलता धागिट गदगदिगन धागिट दुमकिट चलता केंतरा धागिट दादा धागिट दुमकिट चलता धरकिट तक धागिट गदगदिगन धागिट दुमकिट चलता जिस दादा धागिट धागिट
Wonderful girls, you all spoke a language without words and every soul here had the feel of it. Do you agree with me? Thank you. Moving for the next performance of Zenith and Grande Intermediate Group, Mushika Vahana and with a combination of Svala. Mushika Vahana is a devotional song in praise of Lord Ganesha who rides on a mouse, that is Mushika. This piece is often performed at the beginning of a Bharatanatyam recital to invoke his blessings. It highlights Ganesha's divine form and qualities, using expressive abhinaya, that is expression, and graceful movements to convey devotion and joy. Svala Jati is a nritya piece in Bharatanatyam that combines rhythmic patterns with dynamic movements. It focuses purely on the technical skill. Svala is performed in the mid of a recital to highlight the dancer's mastery of tala, the rhythm, and laya, the tempo. Let's welcome our most beautiful dancers, Lapya, Purva, Pranavi, Aikya, Juhita, Pihu, Bhavya, Bhavisha, Astha, Ashwita, Ishita and Anaya. Please welcome them with a big round of applause, audience. We can see the audience, but the clap is not heard over here. Thank you.
मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त सामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते मूषिक वाहन मोदक हस्त सामर कर्ण विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते दीन विनायक पाद नमस्ते सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा सिद्धि भवतु मे सदा
ta drum dum ta dhalam tu tak tak ra de ta gira 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 ta drum tak drum ta takita ta da ta drum gira drum ta dum ta drum ta takita ta de ta gira 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 ta ta ri ta dana ta dana ta dana ta da drum ta dum ta rum ta din ta gira 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 dim ta gira gira ta drum dim da ta drum nam da ta drum tam ta kita dana ta de ta gira gira dim ta gira gira ta drum dim da ta gira drum da gira da drum da kita ta drum gira gira ta drum ta ni ta ta dana gira ta dana ta drum ta ni ta dana ta de ta gira gira ta drum dim da ta drum nam da ta gira drum ta dim dum nam ta de ta gira gira ta di ta dana ta gira gira dana ta dim ta ri ta dana ta da di ta dana ta de ta gira gira ta dim ta gira ta dim ta gira ta dim ta gira ta dim ta gira ta drum ta gira ta gira dim gira gira
Rhythm, step, move were exhibited in this lively performance. We may stop clapping, but our hearts keep dancing to our steps. What a lively performance, and thank you to all these wonderful dancers. Now we are honored to present Ganesh Vandana, Hey Ganaraya, with the combination of Tarana based on Rag Bahar, performing by L&T Kathak Girls Group. Hey Ganaraya is a soulful Marathi devotional song dedicated to Lord Ganesha. It expresses deep love and surrender to Ganaraya, the remover of obstacles and the giver of wisdom. With its heartfelt lyrics and powerful melody, this song creates a devotional atmosphere and is often performed during Ganesh Utsav and the classical dance offerings. Kathak Tarana in Rag Bahar is a vibrant Kathak piece blending rhythmic syllables with melodic beauty in it. Rag Bahar, associated with spring and joy, brings a refreshing energy to the performance. In Kathak, Tarana showcases intricate footwork and graceful movements in the Jaipur Gharana style, and it emphasizes strong rhythm and dynamic expressions. Let's show our appreciation for their dedication and skill to our talented dancers Arohi, Anaika, Lasya, Nilima, Niharika, Pranjal and Ridhi.
स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं, हे गणराय तेरे बिना मैं, आदि स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा, साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे कारना सनी निरा कर दे तू पूरे आज सानी दा पारंदा पवन सरवर सरवर नमो नमो नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते नमो 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 नमस्ते।
spins called checkers were purely exhibited in these dance moves. Your performance was a feast for the eyes and soul. Thank you for sharing your art with us, and thank you one and all girls. Moving for the next performance by Aparna Sarovar Kathak Group. They are presenting the most beautiful song, Hey Gajavadana Vakratunda. In this group, few students have completed final senior diploma in Kathak as Indian classical dance. Hey Gajavadana Vakratunda is a devotional song in praise of Lord Ganesha, describing his divine form with an elephant face, Gajavadana, and curved trunk, Vakratunda. The song is rich in devotion and poetic imagery, celebrating Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the giver of wisdom. Its graceful rhythm and expressive lyrics make it a popular choice for our classical performances and prayer offerings. Give them a big round of applause for the wonderful dancers over here, Ankima, Neetu, Sonali, Nidhi, Kashish, Sanvi, Tanishka, Aishi, Shini, Sayona, and Shrinika. Round of applause for our talented dancers who just set the stage alight, and that was pure artistry in their every move. Thank you, girls. We are thrilled to present the vibrant Shiva Tandav by Aparna Sarovar Zenith Bharatanatyam Senior Girls Group. As a name, Shiva Tandav, it's as powerful Bharatanatyam piece depicting the cosmic dance of Lord Shiva in his form as Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. This performance combines intense nritya, the pure dance, with expressive abhinaya, showcasing Shiva's energy, strength, and rhythm with every move. The dancer portrays the fierce yet balanced nature of the universe through dynamic movements, fast footwork, and dramatic poses, capturing the essence of divine creation and destruction. Let's show our appreciation for their dedication and skill. Arana, Aparna, Dakshayani, Karunya, Lasya, Nainika, Joshita, Parvati, Priya, Shrevi, Sindhu, and Tanmay. A big round of applause. The wonderful audience over here. Thank you.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले कलेवलंब्य लंबितां भुजंगतुंग मालिका तवड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम् जटाभुजंग पिंगल सुरत्सुणामणि प्रभा कदंब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिंधुर स्फुरत्वदुत्तरीय नेतुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरी ओम नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रपंच कालिम प्रभावलंबि कंठ कंदली रुचि प्रबद्ध कंधरं स्मरच्छिदं पुरच्छिदं भवच्छिदं मथच्छिदं गजच्छिदान्धकच्छिदं तमन्तकच्छिदं भजे अखर्व सर्व मंगला कला कदम्ब मंजरी रस प्रवाह माधुरी विजृंभणा मधुव्रतं स्मरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मघान्तकं गजान्तकान्धकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे नित्यमेव मुक्तमुत्तमोत्तमं पठन् स्मरन् ब्रुवन्नरो विशुद्धिमेति सन्ततं हरे गुरौ सुभक्तिमाशु याति नान्यथा गतिं विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य विमोहनं हि देहिनां सुशङ्करस्य चिन्तनम्
What a terrible performance it was. Let's give a thunderous applause to our incredible dancers who just turned the stage into a world of divine. Thank you to our dynamic dancers. Moving for the next most beautiful performance by Ramkita's senior girls group, Soon Niragas Ho. Soon Niragas Ho is a soulful devotional song sung by our popular singer and music composer Shankar Mahadevan, dedicated to our Lord Ganesha. The title means, "Let the melody be pure," symbolizing a heartfelt offering of music to the divine. With its soothing tune and devotional lyrics, the song creates a serene and spiritual atmosphere, making it a beautiful choice for prayer, meditation, or classical dance performances in praise of Ganapati Bappa. Let's give a big round of applause for our dancers Ankita, Nidhi, Saurabhi, Bijini, Savita, and Anusha.
निरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो सूरनिरागसहो गणपति सूरनिरागसहो शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीहर श्री वरद विनायक शुभनयना करुणामय गौरीहर श्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूरनिरागस हो सूरनिरागस हो गणपति सूर निरागस हो आन्हे बालक सुमधुर हासे भावत से वाहो सुरातुन ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूरनिरागस हो सूरनिरागस हो गणपति सूरनिरागस हो
The love for the art through rhythms and grace. You turned minutes into magic. Thank you, one and all girls. We are honored to present the next performance by Rising Star Senior Students Group Ganesh Vandana. In this group, few students have completed their final year diploma in Kathak as Indian classical dance. Gaye Ganapati Gajavadana is a traditional Ganapati Vandana that praises Lord Ganesha as the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. The lyrics describe his divine form and qualities, invoking his blessings at the start of a performance. With its devotional tone and graceful melody, this piece is often performed in classical dance to seek the Ganesha's guidance. Let's welcome our senior Kathak group to grace the stage with Ganapati Vandana, Maheshwari, Binni, Priyanka, Naisha, Aditi, and Akshayini. You all just didn't perform, but were connected with every single heart with your mesmerizing moves. Thank you, girls. We are nearing to the end of our show. We are thrilled to announce that our next performance is by our Mrs. Kaushiki ma'am, the one and only heart of our Rising Star Dance Institute. Mrs. Kaushiki will present a graceful performance in the Lucknow Gharana style of Kathak, known for its elegant, delicate expressions and refined movements. Mrs. Kaushiki's perfect composition of aura is beautifully blended with the sur, tal and bhav of Lucknow and Banaras Gharana. Mrs. Kaushiki will be showcasing one of the most challenging styles of improvisation. Please let's all welcome her with a huge round of applause as she offers her heartfelt tribute through the timeless art of Kathak.
गजमुख गजानन गणेश गजमुख गजानन गणेश गौरी सुत जय जय गणेश गौरी सुत जय जय गणेश गजमुख गजानन गणेश
Every leap and every smile told a story that was nothing short of breathtaking, and you held the entire audience spellbound. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Mrs. Kaushiki is a dance teacher who guides her students to find the song in their heart, beat in their feet, and passion for life by enriching our culture and tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our enchanting evening. Thank you one and all for being a wonderful audience. We hope you have enjoyed these spectacular performances by the Rising Star Dance Institute students. Thank you, wonderful, and have a wonderful evening. Requesting all the students to come on to the stage for the group pic with Kaushiki ma'am. Requesting all the students to come on to the stage for the group pic with your beloved Kaushiki ma'am.